Are you ready to learn your colors in Spanish? Let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is my 5 Spanish words of the day. Today we're learning colors, including red, blue, green, yellow, and orange. Let's start with red. In Spanish, red is rojo. If you wanted to say this circle is red, you would say este círculo es rojo. Next is blue, azul. If you wanted to say this circle is blue, you would say este círculo es azul. Next is green, verde. If you wanted to say this circle is green, you would say este círculo es verde. Next is yellow, amarillo. If you wanted to say this circle is yellow, you would say este círculo es amarillo. Last is orange, naranja. If you wanted to say this circle is orange, you would say este círculo es naranja. Let's review. Red is rojo, blue is azul, green is verde, yellow is amarillo, and orange is naranja. Now let's test your knowledge. This circle is red. How do you say red in Spanish? If you said rojo, you're right. This circle is blue. How do you say blue in Spanish? Azul. This circle is green. How do you say green in Spanish? If you said verde, you're right. This circle is yellow. How do you say yellow in Spanish? Amarillo. This circle is orange. How do you say orange in Spanish? If you said naranja, you're right. Thanks so much for joining me on my 5 Spanish words of the day. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.